Hey, let me show you how you can fix the issue when your FreeBuds SE keeps disconnecting from your device. So if you have this issue, I can definitely recommend you to perform the hard reset. So first, remember to charge your earbuds for like 10 or 20 minutes, just to be sure that we'll be able to perform the hard reset. And then you have to open this charging case, input both earbuds inside. You can be connected with the second device, it doesn't matter actually. And now we have to use this button. We have to click and hold it and wait until it turns red, until it starts blinking red. And right now, when you are waiting, I will be really grateful if you're subscribed to my channel and help me to grow my channel. And there we go. As you can see right now, it is blinking few times on the red. And then when we release the button, it will turn white. There we go. So keep that case open. And now when you have this previously connection, I can recommend you to simply unpair it and then restart the Bluetooth on your device. And from this available devices, select your FreeBuds SE. So click on them once, repair them, accept the pairing, and as you can see right now, we are connected back. And if this doesn't work for you, there's the only one way to fix it. You have to use the warranty. There's no any other way to fix this kind of the issue. And yeah, that's all for this video. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe to my channel. Bye!